Welcome back. Today we're diving into the ultimate guide for summer's best sun hats. Your go-to accessories for staying cool, stylish, and protected. I've teamed up with top stylists and tested dozens of hats to bring you a curated list for every style, activity, and budget. A great sun hat isn't just about fashion. It's essential for those high UV days. We'll cover everything from packable designs and UPF ratings to trendy styles and dermatologist-approved classics. Whether you're gardening, hitting the beach, hiking, or running errands, there's a perfect hat here for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pick the right hat for your summer plans. Let's jump in and find your new favorite sun hat. First up, the Jenny Kane Cotton Canvas Sun Hat, a true classic. Made from 100% cotton canvas, it's lightweight, breathable, and comfortable even on the hottest days. The wide brim offers excellent shade for your face, neck, and shoulders, perfect for long days outdoors. Stylist Natalie Tincher calls it a must-have for reliable sun protection. Its packable design means you can fold or roll it for travel, and it springs back into shape. The neutral palette pairs with any summer outfit, from casual to dressy. If you want understated elegance and practicality, this is a smart investment. It's the hat you'll reach for all summer, year after year. Next, the Scala UPF hat, maximum sun protection without the high price. With a UPF 50+ rating, it blocks over 98% of harmful rays. Available in 17 colors, you can match your style or grab a few for variety. The inner drawstring ensures a custom, secure fit, even on windy days. It's affordable, practical, and stylish, making it a top pick for any summer wardrobe. Don't let the price fool you. This hat delivers serious protection and versatility. Grab one or two and stay safe in the sun. The Scala UPF hat proves you don't have to spend big for quality. For outdoor adventurers, the Sunday Afternoons Ultra Adventure Hat is unbeatable. It boasts a UPF 50+ rating and a foldable brim for easy packing. The wicking sweatband and mesh ventilation keep you cool and dry during intense activities. Adjustable sizing and a chin strap ensure it stays put, even in strong winds. The back cape protects your neck, a spot often missed with sunscreen. Lightweight and durable, it's built for hiking, kayaking, and more. This is technical gear disguised as a hat. If you're serious about outdoor fun, this is your go-to. It's comfort and protection for your most epic summer days. Meet the Hairbrella satin-lined waterproof sun hat, a game-changer for hair and sun protection. The satin lining prevents frizz and preserves your hairstyle, while the UPF 50+ fabric shields your skin. Its extended brim covers your face, ears, and neck, and hidden vents keep you cool. It's also waterproof, making it perfect for unpredictable weather or tropical travel. Protect your hair from sun and rain in one stylish accessory. Ideal for anyone who wants to look polished, rain or shine. The Hairbrella is a must-have for hair-conscious sun lovers. It's innovative, chic, and practical. Trend alert! The lack of color holiday bucket hat is the bucket hat, elevated. With a structured wide brim and 12 on-trend colors, it's a favorite among style icons. The butter yellow shade is especially hot this season. Made from durable cotton canvas, it's breathable, packable, and practical. The wide brim offers real sun coverage, not just style. Folded up for travel, no worries about losing its shape. For a fashion-forward wearable statement, this is your pick. Embrace the bucket hat trend in a polished, grown-up way. Dermatologist recommended, the Wallaroo Montecito hat is serious about sun safety. With a UPF 50+ rating and the Skin Cancer Foundation seal, it blocks 97.5% of UV rays. The fedora-inspired style is timeless and versatile. Dress it up or down. A 4-inch brim gives generous coverage for your face, ears, and neck. Lightweight and adjustable for a secure, comfortable fit. It's the perfect blend of medical-grade protection and sophisticated style. If you want a chic, dermatologist-approved hat, this is it. The Montecito is a summer staple you'll love for years. Windy day? The North Face Horizon Breeze Brimmer hat is your solution. Its removable, adjustable drawcord keeps it secure in any conditions. Made from lightweight, recycled nylon with UPF 40+ protection, mesh lining and ventilation panels maximize airflow and comfort. The sweatband wicks moisture fast, perfect for active days. Available in 14 colors to match your style. The brim offers great shade without getting in your way. For adventure and reliability, this hat won't let you down. The Shinchik waterproof UPF 50+ bucket hat is a travel essential. It's affordable, protective, and stylish. Ideal for sunny getaways. The packable, flexible design pops back into shape after being stuffed in a bag. Waterproof material keeps you dry during sudden showers. Choose from 11 colors to match your vacation vibe. It's a classic bucket hat that suits everyone. For budget-friendly sun protection and easy travel, this is a winner. Great gear doesn't have to be expensive. Want sun protection with flair? The Watskin Sunwear Sienna hat is for you. Its chic animal print and wide-brimmed silhouette make a bold statement. Made from premium UPF 50+ materials for top-tier protection. The structured brim covers your face, neck, and décolletage. Versatile enough to pair with anything from resort wear to city looks. It's an investment in both style and safety. For those who want to stand out and stay protected, this is a spectacular choice. Sun safety never looked so good. The Gigi Pip Sal Crochet Packable Bucket Hat is summer in a hat. Crafted from breathable crocheted paper straw, it's cool and comfortable. The crushable design makes it perfect for travel. Just roll and go. Available in 4 sizes for a perfect fit and 5 earthy colors. It's lightweight, easy to style, and adds boho charm to any outfit. Ideal for the beach, markets, or brunch with friends. If you love texture and laid-back style, this is your must-have. Effortless, packable, and endlessly wearable. Meet the theme dresser Langosta Azul Hat, a wearable work of art. Each hat is hand-painted by artisans, making every piece unique. The whimsical blue lobster design is vibrant and full of personality. Water-resistant material and a wide brim offer both style and sun protection. An internal elastic band ensures a comfortable, secure fit. It's a conversation starter and a celebration of craftsmanship. For those who want accessories with soul and story, this is a standout. Express yourself and stay protected in true artistic style. Nothing says summer elegance like the Ralph Lauren striped straw sun hat. Its oversized brim creates a dramatic, glamorous silhouette and plenty of shade. Lightweight paper straw keeps it comfortable for hours. The subtle striped detail adds a touch of nautical charm. It's the perfect finishing touch for resort wear or a chic boardwalk stroll. Not the most packable, but unbeatable for style. Invest in this classic for timeless summer sophistication. For pure elegance, this is the hat to own. For active lifestyles, the Lululemon Multi-Sport Sun Hat delivers. Lightweight, sweat-wicking fabric keeps you dry during any workout. UPF 40+ protection shields you while you move. Adjustable snaps let you flip the brim up for better vision or down for full coverage. Secure under-chin drawcord and adjustable back closure ensure a perfect fit. Designed for sports, it stays put through any activity. If you need a technical, high-performance hat, this is it. Stay focused, stay protected, and play your best. The Artisano Finca cowboy hat is the ultimate Western-inspired statement. Hand-woven from tequila straw in Ecuador, it's both durable and lightweight. The wire-edged brim lets you shape it to your style, classic cowboy or modern twist. It's a bold, versatile accessory that anchors any outfit. Excellent sun protection meets high-fashion craftsmanship. For trendsetters and risk-takers, this is a must-have. Tradition and style perfectly fused. For ultimate travel convenience, try the L Space Castello Roll-Up Packable Sun Visor. It rolls into a compact cylinder, perfect for any bag. The wide brim shades your face, while the open top keeps you cool and preserves your hairstyle. One size fits most with a comfy closure. Remember to protect your scalp with sunscreen when wearing a visor. It's the minimalist's answer to sun protection. Stylish, portable, and practical. The perfect finishing touch for sporty or beachy looks. That's our roundup of the best sun hats for summer. There's truly something for everyone. Remember, look for UPF ratings, breathable materials, a secure fit, and a style that suits your plans. A great hat is an investment in your health and your look. Let your hat be the finishing touch to your summer adventures. Which hat caught your eye? Share your favorites in the comments.